Okay, so I know I look rough. Get over that. I've been working on yard work and stuff. Anyway, my dad asked for help doing something, and it's pretty hilarious, so I'm going to make sure that we definitely have it on video for when disaster strikes, because as far as I'm concerned, this is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys what I'm talking about here. What we're doing is the van pulls a trailer, and my dad is trying to get this old bulldozer onto the trailer, take it for scrap metal. So that's we're not quite sure, but we're thinking around 6,000 to 8,000 pounds. So he's trying to get that onto the trailer. He's using his tractor to pull it, and Eric down there is working the crank. And as of right now, it has pulled the minivan all the way up like that. Kind of see. Off. It's going.
Well, that's why it snapped to the tractor. It was just all of a sudden, boom, it would go too far and everything. I was really wanting to come in easy with the winch, but you know.
Well, you were making so much progress, I had the machine gun to catch up with you.
Yeah, I know. Just, you know, afraid it would machine gun past everything, and then we'd be trying to go back the other way.
At one point, I was more concerned about the van falling than my windshield.
Yeah, I was a little concerned about that.
Did the bumper get screwed up on your van? Okay, that looks
And that is our life here in South Carolina. Thanks for watching.